Hi everybody, welcome to How to Install It series. We will install Ansible with Terraform file today. This Terraform template creates 4 Ansible machines on EC2 instance, and it also prepares an inventory file, an Ansible configure file, a few filters, and security group, login SSH22 and HTTP 80 connections. They come installed. First of all, we need to change the following in the file. We have to change my key value. Write your name of key PAM. Be careful, we will not write .pam, only name. And we must control region, your region that you install Ansible. My region is US East 1, and we must define your key file path correctly. My key PAM path is here. It is home folder for me. ~/.ssh equal to C users a.ssh. My key PAM in here. It is equal to this path. You must define your key file path correctly. I will open the terminal in VS Code. I will control AWS configure. AWS configure is ready for me. If not installed, if you can't see these, run the command AWS configure to enter AWS keys on your computer. Choose your region. You can continue after you complete it. You must enter Terraform init command. This command, it will download AWS provider files. It takes a few minutes, but it became quickly because I installed it before. AWS provider file in .terraform folder. This file. Okay. If you want to create an execution plan and review it, run Terraform plan command. It is optional. It is just for review. Okay. I will run Terraform apply command. Enter yes when prompted. Yes, enter. This command will deploy the Terraform template on AWS EC2 instance. This command execute the plan. We can see on the screen what is installed. For example, AWS instance nodes 2.1.0 is installed. Installation continues. It can take a few minutes. Apply complete. Resource 6 edits. Outputs give us control node IP because there is it in Terraform template. I'm opening AWS console. We see that our disk were created. There are 4 instances, node 1, node 2, node 3 and control node. Our nodes were installed by Terraform file. In order to control Ansible, I will connect the control nodes with SSH command. For this, I will get public IP of control nodes. Copy. And I will use it in SSH connect command. I will VS Code terminal. I will enter SSH connect command. ssh dash a tilde slash dot ssh slash my keypam dot bam space ec2 dash user at IP address of control node, paste, enter. Okay, control your key file path and control your key name and control node IP. Please control it if you get a fail. We are currently in EC2 with Ansible installed. I will check the version of Ansible. Enter Ansible dash version. Ansible version is here. And I will check the installed Ansible node. Command Ansible all dash list dash host, enter. We see all list hosts, not 1, not 2, not 3. Ansible is ready to use. If the deployment is not needed anymore when we are done, for example, if load this command in this article about Ansible or this article, you will give Terraform destroy command to delete the deployment. But firstly exit, enter. Terraform destroy, enter. Enter yes when prompted. Yes, enter. The command will remove all nodes inventory file and Ansible config file, filters and security group all will be deleted automatically. Security group destroying and destroy complete source 6 destroyed. I will open AWS console, refresh. All nodes are terminated, node 1, node 3, control node 2 are terminated. That's all I say. Thank you for listening. To be notified of new articles and videos, don't forget to follow me LinkedIn account below. I wish you growing success. Hope to see you soon. Bye.